below. Everyone. M.D.SU-JOK Pakistan official presents.
The information about the master point LI-4, that is large intestine 4. The original location of LI-4 is on the dorsum of the hand. It has various functions like it helps in bowel issues, it helps in dealing with periods pain, that is menstrual pain. It is used for labor induction and pain. It helps in facial acne. It is used to deal with pain anywhere in the body. It's used for all type of migraines and headaches. It helps in cold and flu. Special attention, it's not to be used during pregnancy. Here's a list of main functions of LI-4. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.